Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. It's pattern time, and today we're going to draw a mango to say you're Mangonificent. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy mango, let's first start by drawing the mango shape. So I'm going to start up here and draw a curve for the top of our mango. And this mango shape is just meant to inspire you. You can draw it however you like, skinnier, longer, fatter. It's really all up to you because there's just so many different shapes, right, for mangoes. But in general, we just want to start with a curve and then we're just going to bring it down. And bring it down right about here. So this part's going to be a little bit fuller at the top. So there's some really fat mangoes, skinny mangoes, short mangoes, and tall mangoes, right? So just draw your favorite kind of mango. So now that I have this big curve here, I'm going to start to bring it in. And bring it down. I'm still aiming to draw like a nice, full, juicy mango. So I'm going to keep bringing it in. So it's going to get thinner as we come down. And so then about right here towards the bottom is this very distinct little curve that we need to draw. So right here, we're going to go in. And then we're going to come out. We're going to straighten out a little bit and then curve. So that's what makes it a mango. So then we're just going to go ahead and connect all of this. This little distinct curve right here and then connect. There. Okay, something like that. So hopefully you like my mango. And then from there, now that we have the mango shape in, let's go ahead and draw a stem. So I'm going to come to the center area about here, and I'm just going to go up and come down since it's easier for my hand. And then I'm just going to cut it off and then bring it down towards the center. So it's wider towards the bottom. And then from there, we're going to draw two leaves. So I'm just going to say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and come out with a stem. And then we're going to draw some leaves, long mango leaves. So we're going to curve and we're going to bring it down. So the way I have it right now, it just kind of makes it look like hair. So I'm just going to bring it to about right here and then just bring it in. Just give it a little bit of a curve. And then you can come into the center if you like. Just draw a vein. You can do this when you're coloring, so you don't have like a harsh black line, but something like that. Then from there, let's draw another one. So maybe up here, a little higher up, just a little stem. And then once again, the same thing. I'm just going to drape another leaf all the way down. Maybe make this one a little bit longer, so that's not so even, and then say about right here and connect. So mango leaves are long and slim. Then from there, once again, just going to draw a center vein and some of these sides. There. Okay, so now that this is pretty much done, if you want to make it cute, because we're at Draw So Cute, right? If you make a cute mango, let's go ahead and put some eyes. So about right here, towards the fuller part, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come across, say about right here, just so that my eyes are in the center. And draw another circle. So that my two circles in, now I'm looking at it. One is a lot shorter. So let me see if I can fix this. This one is a little taller, right? So let's bring this out. Okay, so now that we have our eyes in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So my eye's in. Let's come to the top of each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve. Then let's give it a mouth. So about right between the eyes, about right here. Let's give a sweet smile. And then I'm just going to go up with a curve for a tongue, because I love mangoes and they're really yummy. Okay, so now that our drawing is done, we need to write the pun, which is today, you're Mangonificent. So magnificent, right? So if you want to write that, I'm going to follow along with me. Let's do it about right here on the side. We have more room. So we're going to write your, and I'm just going to capitalize you, your here. So Y, O, U, R, and E. And apostrophe right there. You're Mangonificent. So Mangonificent, we're going to say about right here. Just going to kind of follow our leaf. M-A, and then we're going to lowercase. So M-A-N-G-O, mango, and then nificent. Hopefully I'm not going to run out of room here. F-I-C-E. Okay, N-T. There, we did it. Okay, so then now I'm just going to come in here really quickly and spruce everything up just to make it look a little bit fancier, and then fix whatever I need to fix. Maybe something is kind of off, too high or too low. I can fix that now. So you're, and then magnificent. Well, I'm pretty straight. Maybe my center is a little lower. It needs to be a little bit lower, but okay, here we go. There, and then we're going to add a heart right here to finish it off. And that is pretty much it for this cute mango pun art. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if you love how it turned out and it brings a smile to your day, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.